Coming up in today's video. Cadillac's idea of future cars is their inner space autonomous concept. This is a two-person luxury concept that offers the future of personal mobility, focusing on elevating the passenger experience. This Cadillac seems to have a very unusual roof that opens with the doors, and the interior also seems like it have an unusual large overhead display. Of course, like most concept cars on our list today, this concept is equipped with the latest tech that features fully autonomous mobility, providing effortless travel through extraordinary means. Urban mobility is changing, especially with crowded environments. So the guys at SkySphere Design came up with this new cool concept car called the R. It's all about offering cutting-edge technology and high-end experience. It has a sleek design, agile handling, and an adrenaline-charged open cockpit experience. What's interesting is how it allows users to connect to the R without a physical key. Instead, they have the R-RYZR smart jacket that connects to the car when you simply sit in the seat. The design of the R-RYZR blurs the lines between a bike and a car, giving you this unique architecture with a central spine and suspended twin seats. It's all about providing an unmatched view of the road while ensuring a thrilling yet safe urban experience. This unbelievable design is what you get when Lamborghini mixes their fantasy of video games with reality. An unapologetic futuristic design with sharp corners and flowing lines. It is a single-seater car with a fighter jet style cockpit. It weighs less than 2,000 pounds and was clearly designed to belong on a racetrack. In the interior, you are greeted with a holographic heads-up display and a steering wheel ripped straight from the video game. It was not only Lamborghini that designed the Gran Turismo. Ferrari also had their concept, and it's a true futuristic beauty, the Vision GT. Listen to this reaction of two of their designers.
We have the chance to design a car for Vision Gran Turismo. My reaction was, wow.
It was not only to design the most beautiful car of the world, but also the most futuristic one.
The interior was designed with two main features. The first was a concept of open volume with no visual barriers between the driver and the road. And the second was to have the main design feature, the iconic gaming-inspired steering wheel, to be a floating element that gives a sense of lightness. Ferrari managed to combine the physical universe with the digital universe and created something that they can see running on racetracks all over the world.
For me, the Vision GT is one of the most beautiful cars I have ever worked on.
With legacy and icons in every era, Lincoln's design is the future of luxury with the L100 concept. It's a reimagined vision of personal mobility. Every feature was designed to create an effortless and connected experience. The interior is filled with color, from the digital floor and the seating configuration that can adapt to any occasion. The interactive centered console chessboard reimagines vehicle control inside the cabin, featuring a dual-inspired chess piece controller that replaces the traditional steering wheel and literally puts the control in the palm of your hand. The Audi concept car is the last on our list today, and us here at InnoVisionX have to admit the Audi concept car is our favorite. It is concept cars like this that make us excited for the future. With the SkySphere, Audi managed to make an extremely elegant car that becomes a driving machine. A beautiful car that is a sculpture in motion. This design involves a change in geometry. The car has two distinct personalities. It is a grand touring car with a long wheelbase. It is also a sports car, and in this mode it has a short wheelbase.
That's where the magic happens, the synchronization of this movement brings the steering wheel close to you.
To have this interior changing completely of personality is fantastic.
The designers say they have delivered a car that is so comfortable that you would want to spend time in it, and it is a car you would want to drive. That's all the concept cars we have for you guys today. If you're still watching, please consider subscribing, and we will see you in the next one.